So let us discuss about conic section. This is the introduction class. This is derived from the term cone. Cone is a solid unit variable. It has got section of a cone is called conics. Now this term, this section, this section means to cut. Section means to cut. For example, I am taking a solid, let me consider the cylinder. Okay, cylinder. Now in order to cut the cylinder, we need a plane, cutting plane. Okay, so let me draw a cutting plane here. This is your cutting plane. Now when you see from view this cutting plane from the side, you will see only a straight line, right? You will observe only a straight line. So that cutting plane, I can show it by a straight line. So when you remove this portion, when I remove it, this portion from here, the cross section, how it will look? It will look something like this, right? The truncated portion will look something like that cross section after cutting this. Okay, so this is the section of cylinder, right? Similarly, when we cut the cones with cutting plane in different way, there are four possibilities we have considered here. There are four possibilities we can do it. Okay, four ways actually. Number one, the section plane is inclined to the axis. Axis means what? If this is the base, you take the center of the base and draw a perpendicular. Okay, you take the center of the base and draw a perpendicular to it. So this is called, is perpendicular to this plane. Okay, this is called axis. Similarly, if it is a rectangular base, you draw the diagonals, you will get the center, and from here you drop a perpendicular. This will be the axis. Okay, this will be the axis. Okay, anyway, so we have this axis. This is cone axis, cone axis, cone axis, cone axis, and black line denotes the cutting plane. Black line denotes the cutting plane. When the section plane or cutting plane is inclined to the axis and doesn't cut the base, means it doesn't pass through the base, then a shape what we will be getting, that is something like this. That is something like this. Okay. So this shape, if you plane, then you will be getting shape like this. This is called ellipse. Okay. Similarly, when the cutting plane is perpendicular to the axis, then you will be getting a shape. Let me change the color like this, right? This will be a circle, right? Down, this will be a circle. So cutting plane is perpendicular to the axis and doesn't cut the base. Actually, I should not write here doesn't cut the base. It is just perpendicular to the axis, because even though it cuts the axis, it cuts the base, then also you will be getting the same circle on it, right? So let me remove this portion. So it is perpendicular to the axis. Okay, when it passes through the base, the circle will be the largest diameter. Okay. When it comes in, the circle will be of largest diameter. So this will be a circle. Next, the cutting plane may be inclined to the axis and and cut the base. Here it doesn't cut the base in ellipse, right? Here it cuts the base. So you will be getting a shape, something like this, right? This shape, if you draw it in 2D, means two-dimensional plane, then you will be getting shape like this. Okay, this is called parallel. So incline to the axis and cut the base, right? Next is parallel to the axis. If the cutting plane is parallel to the axis, then you will be getting shape something like this. So this shape, if you draw it in 2D, two-dimensional plane, then you will be getting shape something like this. This is called hyperbola. So these are the 4 possible conic sections. Okay. So we will discuss each and every conic section in detail in coming lecture set. Okay. Thank you. Hope you have understood it.